Hi everyone, this is the Henna Queen, and I thought I'd make a little video to show you how I personally make henna cones. I have some beautiful gift wrapping paper that I've gotten. I think I got it from Paper Mart, and I really like the patterning on it. It doesn't have to have pretty patterning, but I just like it. I cut 6x6 squares on each side. And I've really noticed it doesn't matter if there's little imperfections on each side or not. They pretty much turn out the same anyway. I used to be really uptight about cutting them perfectly, and then I really noticed that it doesn't matter. So when I roll them, I like it when the print is on the outside. So the print's on this side, so I'm gonna turn it over. Then I start by grabbing one of the corners and I flip it in just like that. And then I just start to roll it. I hope you can see this good. And then I pull up on the inside to make it so it's tight down here. So, and I always seal it like as tight as it can go. And then I like to have them a little more narrow because they have a little more strength when you squeeze them. Some people like them fat and wide. I kind of like mine right on the medium side, but you can decide what you like. Okay, so then this is about the time that I get the tape. I hold this with one hand like this. And you just need a little piece of tape. I put the tape on the end of that little flap. And I usually try to make this part really tight. So I just take my finger and now it's taping. And then I just take my finger right here and make sure the tape is nice and flat on that part. And then you have a cone. So then the second part that I do is I take more tape just in case any of the henna or whatever you put in these, it will leak out. So I like to tape the part where it's open a little bit, like there's a seam. So I look at the seam. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see in the light, but I start at the bottom. And what I like to do is hold like the bottom of the tape and I just line it up. And sometimes it doesn't go quite right, like you want to get right along that line. So you go like that, and it goes around, so it can be kind of funky. And then I would get one more. And I just go like this. Boom. And there you have it. Henna cone. And then obviously you fill the stuff inside there. What I do is I tape, I fill the stuff in, I squeeze everything down, and then I tape here and here twice, seal it, and then I fold it. I can actually make another, let me know if you want me to make another video of how to put things in it and seal it up. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you next week.